Hello everyone. These all are my students. I have given them some topics today for speaking sake. The topics are yesterday routine, daily routine, somebody's routine, myself, my school, some English topics, and general conversation. So out of these students, there is a one student. She is going to speak about her yesterday routine. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Speak.
Good afternoon, all of you. I'm telling about my yesterday routine. First of all, I got up early in the morning and then I went for a walk.
Loudly.
And then I went for a walk. After came back home, I brushed my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I took a bath. After taking bath, I got ready for school. After that, I reached school 8 to 7:45. After that, I attended assembly at 8 o'clock. After that, I attended the first period at 8:30. After that, I took lunch at 11:20. After taking lunch, I attended the classes again. After that, I went back home. After I reached home at 3 o'clock. After that, I took some rest. After that, I watched TV for some time. After that, I studied for 2 to 3 hours. After that, I took my dinner and then I went to bed.
Okay, fine then. She has spoken very well. Getting so mind clapping for her. And you? You are going to speak about my school. Am I right? Okay. Then I have told you that before speaking you have to salutation. Good morning, good afternoon, and hello everyone. Then your name, then topic, then start speaking. Is it clear? Okay. Now carry on.
Good afternoon, all of you. Now I am telling about my school.
Loudly, my dear.
Good afternoon.
Take protein shake. You take some badam.
Good afternoon, all of you. Now I am telling about my school. The name of my school is Swami Vivekananda Government Model School. It is in the Siswali near Nakachungi. The principal name of my school is Raghuveer Prasad Meena. He is a gentleman and strict in nature. My school has a big building, big and smart building. There is a big playground where we play games. There is a beautiful library where we read books. There is many classrooms and there is camera facilities in a school campus. There are smart classes in my school. There is a staff room in a school there where teachers take rest. There is approximately 450 students in my school. There is 25 teachers in my school. There is bio lab, chemistry lab and physics lab also along my school. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Nupur Chaudhary. My father's name is Mr. Kamlesh Chaudhary. Today I am going to tell about my father's routine. He gets up early in the morning and then he goes for a walk. After that he comes back home and he brushes his teeth and then he takes a bath. After that he gets ready for his office. He gets ready for his office. He goes to office and he comes back in the evening. After that he takes rest for some time. After that he watches TV for some time and then he goes for a walk with his friends. After that he comes back home and takes dinner with family and then he goes to bed.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon all of you. I am Ekta Chandrawat. Today I am going to tell about my school. The name of my school is Swami Vivekananda Government Model School. It is in Siswali near Nakachungi. The name of our principal is Mr. Raghuveer Prasad Meena. He is very strict and gentleman. It has a very big and smart building. It has a very big playground where we play so many games. There is a library where we read books. There are almost 15 classrooms in my school and there is camera facility in each classroom. There are almost 20 teachers in my school. All the teachers are brilliant and dedicating. There are physics lab, chemistry lab, bio lab and maths lab. In my school, cultural and cultural facilities are available in my school. The environment of my school is very good. Thank you.
Your name is?
Sanvi Khandelwal.
Sorry?
Sanvi Khandelwal.
And you are? Okay, these two students are here. They will have the general conversation among them. When we meet the people, that what kind of the talks people do normally. So are you ready?
Yes.
And then
Hi. Hello. May I know your name? I am Sanvi
speak
Khandelwal.
louder.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Bhunesh Khandelwal.
What is your father?
My father is a shopkeeper.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Pinky Khandelwal.
What is your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Where do you read?
I live in Siswali.
In which class do you read?
I study in 12th class.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Swami Vivekanand Government Model School.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are appreciating music and watching movies.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling.
How many members are there in your family?
There are.
There are 4 members in my family.
Are you ready? ओके हम सब एक साथ मिलकर कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं. आप मुझसे पूछो कि क्या सर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ाते हैं? फिर से बोलेंगे. दोबारा पूछना है. हाँ मैं पढ़ाता हूँ इंग्लिश. फिर से बोलेंगे. और मैं नहीं पढ़ाता इंग्लिश. फिर से बोलेंगे. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है आपकी. दोबारा बोलेंगे. आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ानी चाहिए. फिर से बोलेंगे. पूछो क्या आप योगा करते हो? सॉरी नहीं मैं नहीं करता योगा. फिर से बोलेंगे. सॉरी आई डोंट डू योगा. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है आपकी. आपको योगा करना चाहिए. दोबारा बोलेंगे. पूछो क्या आप सभी की सहायता करते हैं? फिर से बोले. दोबारा बोलेंगे. नहीं मैं नहीं करता. आई डोंट हेल्प अदर्स. अच्छी बात नहीं आपकी. फिर से बोलेंगे. आपको सहायता करनी चाहिए. फिर से बोलेंगे. दोबारा बोलना है. समय से आना होता है कम ऑन टाइम. समय से आना क्या होता है? समय पर आना क्या होगा? तो मुझसे कंफर्म करो क्या सर आप समय से आ जाते हो स्कूल?
Do you
तो इसको बोलेंगे डू यू कम टू स्कूल ऑन टाइम. बोले आप. डू यू कम टू स्कूल ऑन टाइम. फिर से बोलिए. नहीं मैं समय से नहीं आता भाई. फिर से बोलेंगे. दोबारा बोलना है. अब देखो समय से स्कूल सबको आना चाहिए. इंसान मना कर रहा है कि मैं समय से नहीं आता तो अच्छी बात नहीं है ना. क्या बोलेंगे हम? यदि हमको ये कहना हो कि ये आपकी अच्छी बात नहीं है तो क्या बोलेंगे हम अंग्रेजी में? फिर से बोलना है. इससे बोले इट्स नॉट गुड ऑफ यू. फिर से बोले. आपको समय से आना चाहिए. यू शुड कम ऑन टाइम. फिर से बोलेंगे. फिर से बोलना है. इज दैट क्लियर? एनी क्वेश्चन? बोलना होता है स्पीक. बोलना क्या होगा? और अंग्रेजी बोलना? इंग्लिश बोलना क्या होगा? तो पूछो क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? फिर से बोलना है. नहीं बोलता मैं. फिर से बोलेंगे. यदि हम इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और हम अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलते तो थोड़ा सा अच्छी बात नहीं है ना यहाँ पे. बोलो. क्या बोलिए हम? इट्स नॉट गुड ऑफ यू. फिर से बोलेंगे. आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी चाहिए. फिर से बोले. इज इट क्लियर? एनी क्वेश्चन? ठीक है, चलो आप खड़े हो जल्दी से। आपने बोल दिया टॉपिक? आपने बोल दिया? आपने बोल दिया? आपने बोल दिया? खड़े हो। आपने नहीं बोला ना कोई टॉपिक? एक्सक्यूज मी, व्हाट हैपन? क्या हो? और आप खड़े हो, आपने भी नहीं बोला ना? ठीक है, आपको इनसे पूछना है कि क्या आप, थोड़ा पास में जाओ, कि क्या आप पार्टी में जाओगे? पूछो इनसे, जोर से बोलना है।
Do you attend the party?
मुझे सुनेंगे पहले। क्या आप पार्टी में जाओगे? आप पूछो इनसे।
Will you attend the party?
रुको 1 मिनट, दोबारा पूछो।
Will you attend the party?
सही बोला कि इन्होंने? सही बोला, क्योंकि बात हो रही है आने वाले समय की। जब कभी आने वाले समय की बात हो तो हम विल का यूज़ करेंगे। दोबारा पूछना है।
Will you attend the party?
आप बोलो हाँ,
I will attend the party.
और मना करना हो तो?
I will not attend the party.
ठीक है, अब आप इनसे पूछो कि क्या आप मेरी सहायता करोगे?
Will you help me?
फिर से बोलना है।
Will you help me?
और मना करूँ, नहीं करूँ?
I will not help you.
और यदि आपको कहना हो शायद मैं कर दूँगी हेल्प तो?
I may help you.
हाँ, यदि ये करो शायद ही कर पाऊँगी तो?
I might help you.
सही बोला ना इन्होंने? ठीक है, बैठ जाएँ आप खड़े हो। हाँ, और तुम खड़े हो जाओ। आपको उनसे पूछना है कि क्या आपके पास 500 रुपये हैं?
500 rupees?
जोर से बोलो। एक मिनट, रुको रुको रुको, दोबारा पूछो।
Do you have 500 rupees?
जोर से बोलना है। और मना करना हो तो? मना करना हो तो क्या बोलेंगे? आई डोंट हैव। फिर से बोलना है। आई डोंट हैव 500 रुपीज़। ठीक है, एनी कन्फ्यूजन? किसी को कुछ पूछना है क्या? ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू सो मच।